Page 8, number 11. Merrily we roll along. Count the rhythm. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Do it again, but this time say the names of the notes and do the fingerings. Make sure your left hand is on top. 1, 2, ready, go. B, A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, 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 A, G, A, B, 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 A, B, A, G. Okay. If you need to, go back, rewind it, and play it over again until you got it down. Now, play it. 1, 2, ready, go. Rewind it, play it over several times until it's easy to play.